Hey everybody, how's it going? I have the farm truck here. Got my outdoor helper. Kind of an annoyance. His name is George Luke. You all know him. He's a gearhead, it looks like. He likes the engine bay. It's not warm. But yeah, this is the farm truck. I was going on a dump run, getting rid of a bunch of garbage, and fuel pump went out. It's right there. Not a fun one to get to because this used to be a diesel and somebody stuffed a 454 in it. And it's a mess. It was a $700 farm truck, so I never really put much time into it, and the wiring was a mess, and sticker bushes grew up through it and yanked the wiring, and it caught fire. So I am now doing a little bit of wiring touch up. Then the cable broke for the hood release. Fun times, but there's George. George? He'll ignore you. But yeah, I get to have fun. I got the transmission bypassed in this, and one day I'll put a standalone controller in it. But it's a dump bed. It's an old county rig, but wish they would have just kept the diesel in it. But yeah, it's a mess.